Here I have DOOGEE X55, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings on it, scroll down a bit, then open language and input section, then tap on languages, add language. And here you have the whole list which languages you can set your phone in. Let's choose, for example, Ukrainian language. And what you have to do next is to drag this language on top, and the language will change automatically. So if you want to change your language back to English, you just go to this налаштування. Next you go to the мова та введення, мови, and you just drag English on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.